and welcome to Interview with Alice. What's your name?
My name is... Do I make up this name?
No.
Alice.
Don't say your last name though. Okay. And how do I know you, Alice?
Well, I guess I came here to give people toys. I think are you your mom?
What?
And you have kids?
Look, Bella, look at that. Tom Mountain.
Where? Alex, are you buckled?
Pilot Mountain. Of course I'm buckled. Okay, back to the interview. Say real stuff. Okay, say real stuff.
Okay.
And where are you from, Miss Alice?
I am from Hawaii, of course.
Real stuff. Where are you from?
Why?
Because
I thought you meant make it up.
you what?
I thought you meant make it up.
Real stuff.
Oh,
All right, now we're